In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on BCH future while talking about Bitcoin money cost figure for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Bitcoin money. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the Bitcoin money value expectation and answer questions in the event that BCH is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will BCH succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Bitcoin money value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is BCH and its to-date history. Bitcoin money introduction. In mid-2017, a gathering of engineers needing to expand Bitcoin's block size limit arranged a code change. The change, called a hard fork, produced results on the 1st of August 2017. Thus, the Bitcoin record called the blockchain and the digital currency split in two. Bitcoin money was made out of strain among early Bitcoin financial backers over rising exchange expenses and progressively dissimilar feelings on the best on-chain scaling answers for Bitcoin. Bitcoin money additionally focuses on severe adherence to what is referred to Satoshi's as vision for the first Bitcoin, seeing distributed exchanges as the guiding principle recommendation of the organization and the component that ought to be enhanced versus other contending factors like security. It varies from different forms in that it empowered the increment of the block size from 1 MB to 8 MB. Its general objective is to build the quantity of exchanges that can be handled by the organization, trusting that Bitcoin money will actually want to rival the volume of exchanges that industry monsters like PayPal and Visa can as of now process. Bitcoin money value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each venture. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-05-20 plus 4.94% $119. 87202305 210.07% $114 14202305 220.71% $113 41 202305 23 plus 3.76% $118 52202305 242.18% $111 74 202305 255.72% $107 69 202305 266.27% $107 07 202305 27 plus 1.81% $116 30202305 281.42% $112 61 202305 290.82% $113 29 202305 302.80% $111.03 Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. High expansion and very hazardous full-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 June 15.33% $96.72. 2023 July 32.11% $77.55. 2023 Aug 26.04% $84.48. 2023 Sep 24.57% $86.16. 2023 Oct 19.11% $92.40. 2023 Nov 19.06% $92.46. 2023 Dec 10.28% $102.48. 2024 Jan 3.53% $110.19. 2024 Feb 5.50% $107.94. 2024 Blemish plus 7.39% $122.67. 2024 April plus 9.17% $124.70. 2024 May plus 14.00% $130.22. BCH value forecast 2025. Our expectation model sees BCH coming to $221.60 in 2025. What will BCH be worth in 5 years? The cost of BCH in 5 years could lie around $199.23. Bitcoin money value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Bitcoin money will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Bitcoin money coming to $554 in 2030. What Bitcoin money will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Bitcoin money coming to $1,108 in 2040. Will Bitcoin money supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Bitcoin money won't supplant or surpass BTC. Is Bitcoin money worth purchasing? We are backers of respectably hazardous money management. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a crate of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with immense potential gain. Thus, in this unique circumstance, Bitcoin money merits purchasing. Is Bitcoin money a wise venture? Bitcoin money is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Bitcoin money be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $66.48. In the long haul, it could leap to $554 or significantly higher. For what reason will Bitcoin money succeed and become more expensive? Bitcoin money has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Bitcoin money ascending to $554 in 2030. For what reason will Bitcoin money come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects fall flat because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and forsakes the task. Controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders. Absence of all-around planned advertising technique. Losing local area support. Expected weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will Bitcoin money go? Our estimating model sees Bitcoin money value detonating